Today we're making pork belly burnt ends. So we've got a 3.5 pound pork belly. So we're going to cut it open, and we can trim some of this if we want. Trim some of the fat off, but really we're going to leave a lot of it on there. I just trimmed a little bit of the edge off there. Now what we want to do is make cubes, these into cubes. You can also make burnt ends out of brisket, which will be the optimal choice, brisket, but we are using pork belly. What I like to do is get a big bowl, put them in there, and sprinkle the rub in there, and then you can shake it around. I'm going to use Holy Gospel barbecue rub for this, and I don't have too much left in there, so I'm just going to dump the whole thing in. The key is you want to mix it up and make sure that all the seasoning is on every side of it. All right, once you got the seasoning on, you spread them on. I got 2 pans with some holes in them. I'm going to cook these for 250 degrees for 2.5 to 3 hours. I'm going to put one on the top and one on the bottom. All right, about an hour before the time's up, test the big chunks, and the big chunks should be at least 145. If the big chunks are at least 145, it's time to take it off. I think because the pieces are smaller that it didn't take as long. Okay, we got the burnt ends in a pan. Number one, we'll take brown sugar. In this case, we're using Truvia brown sugar so that we're not getting any sugar. We're going to use honey, which has 17 grams of sugar. So anyway, this will kill our no sugar recipe. Then we're going to take a stick of butter, little pats of butter, and we're going to spread them throughout your pan. Then we're going to take aluminum foil and cover it completely. And we're going to put it back in the smoker. I've got a peach with just a little bit of water, and I'm going to blend it up. Got like a peach smoothie. Put the smoothie on the meat, along with some barbecue sauce. Then we're going to put that on the smoker for another 20 to 30 minutes. All right, after it's been in there for a half hour, that's what it looks like. Take a little piece, try it out. That is good. All right, for the recipe, check the description. If you like this video, like and subscribe and leave a comment.